Hello and welcome. Stock Tech Info. Hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, retelling about how can reading change your life. 6 amazing benefits of reading. So before I start my video, please subscribe my channel. How can reading change your life? 6 amazing benefits of reading. How can reading change your life? I can honestly say reading has shaped my life. I read all the times when I am working, I am listening the audiobook. Before bed I read my Kindle's paper right till I am sleepy and I read for work and I read for fun. Books have always been a huge part of my life. My mother loves reading and my babysitters used to read books to me all the time. Later on, my favorite teacher was the one who read books out loud after lunch. My second job was at a local library and that babysitter. I mentioned becomes my best friend and book buddy. My other friends are always giving my great book suggestions too. What about you? Are you a big reader? What else you already read? A lot. Wish you read more. Or even never likes reading. You may be surprised when you learn a benefit of reading. So how can reading change your life? Let's find out. Is reading a dying form? In this world of smartphones, YouTube vlogs, video tutorials, movies, and TV, it is almost entirely possible to avoid reading anything besides the most basic sign and levels. Does that mean that reading is dying out? Of course not. Even that don't like it's the read are probably reading the sometimes daily internal street full of written informations in the full of news and articles and blogs at work and probably how to read instructions, email and more. Taking information and thoughts and writes word is far from dying out with more people publishing original content than ever before. You will never stop reading and benefits of reading are undeniable, so you might as well get good at it. How can reading change your life and help you success? I remember when I was a little girl, my mother emphasized that the most important things I could learn at schools was how to read. It's true, if you can read to read, you can lead anything and everything else. As long as you struggle to read, you will face roadblocks in every part of your life for that reason. Even in today's world's reading, when in one of your most practical life skills for adult to acquire. Reading well helps you take information quickly. It helps you success in school and will work as will across help you success to continue learning new hiring things as they come up for the rest of your life. If you struggle with reading, work to improve by trying to read more and more each day. If your kid don't like to read, find a way to make it more interesting by showing them to movies based on book reading aloud to them and avoid enjoying books yourself. Reading can improve your vocabulary. So beyond the basic of reading, what you have to read, how can read change your life? Read improves your vocabulary. A lots of great words of English language are dying a slow death because people aren't using them in everyday life. Even I am not taking out about words fancy and orchestra. What other? A lot of volunteers work and around reading small paragraphs with pupils and discussing, and many younger people don't know work with the tech for guarantee and use them. The only reasons for this I can think for that don't read a lot. When you read, you naturally learn from words and understand them. Thoughts the context. This not only can help speak clearly, but also helps you understand what people are saying to you. To having a good vocabulary is not just about impressing others that the valuable of the Google vocabulary lies in your ability to understand anything written or spoken, which of course is excitedly linked with your ability to learn. Having a good vocabulary from reading often also help in your spells better, which makes you more look more proficient when you have to write any kinds of message. Reading makes you more empathic. Can reading change your life in any other ways? Absolutely, it's changed the way you think and even the way you feel about things. I never really thought about it before, but even I learned this fact. I was not surprised. Many studies show that one of the benefits of reading is that it makes you more empathic. What does it means to be empathic? It means that you can imagine how someone else might feel in a certain situation, and you can feel for them. It just makes sense that one of the benefits of reading fictions is that it makes you more empathic. After all, when you read a book, you are often inside the mind of the person who is very different from yourself, and that person is going from thoughts unique situation you may or may not ever experience. The entire journey is about understanding how that person might feel and why they do the things they do. So if one of the benefits of reading books that if the makes your empathic, and what is the benefits of being empathic, puts and plainly it means that you will the more understanding, reasonable and kind person. You will care more about people who aren't the same as you, and you will take time to listen to their viewpoint. It's clear to see how much this world could benefit from more empathy. Reading opens your world. Alongside choose learner, one of the benefits of reading books it's the will open new worlds. I like reading books because it allows to travel the worlds and all time serious on a budget. I am never truly stakes book at home. When I have the books I read because I would the India, Africa, England and even space. I could be in the past or a future. When you read a book, you give yourself a chance to see what life might be like for different people in different places, when differences clutters different times. Read can reading change your life. Well, the certain change your viewpoints of view, how you can feel about things, horrible things like racism and terrorist operations. It's the result, and people viewing choose the right different from themselves as other. Reading is the attribute which the read others about someone from a different religions or a culture. You come up the realize are we very much alike. We have the same desire, fear and despair. We all is born to good life with people we love. Reading opens up the world because it takes you the new places in your mind and heart, but you might just be inspired to travel to some of the places you have read about in real life. Reading relieves stress. Another one of the benefits of reading books is that it relieves stress. I like to read books because when I read because before bed it skip from staring at the blue light of my iPhones right before I try to sleep. Instead of read my Kindle's Paperwhite, which helps me wind down and get sleepy. I also like the listen to book while I also work because I keeping the minds busy during boring work and cleaning house. I also help me focus on the good times, stories, sheets of whatever I could be worrying about. If you have a stressful life, want a better stress and just need to get your mind on something else, reading is the great way to relieve stress. On 2009 study by University of Sussex found that reading can reduce stress by up to 68% and thus on this just 6 minutes faster than relaxation techniques like listening to music or having a cup of tea. So if you like me are trying to find ways of unwinding anxiety, maybe you are just need to read more. Readers are lifelong learners. How can reading change your lives? Well, you see many of benefits of reading already, but here's or no more. Readers are always readings. Whether you are read non-fiction, fiction, or mix of both, you are going to learn some things with the very books you read. I would credit most of my knowledge of World War I and World War II the Messi Stop series by Jacqueline Van Spear. I learned the lots of about Egyptology from the Emilia Peabody series, the Elizabeth Peters. I also I learned from The Secret Life of Trees, my Peters Wallace in the lots about animals from Animal Deluges by Craig's Childs. I also often listen to self-help and productivity books to enhance my knowledge for this blog. What do you want to learn about? Are there any things you would like to improve in your life? Would your certain religious or group of people? One of the benefits of frictions and would the ready grades of learn about places and people from inside their experience. Non-fictions about the would acts explaining at details. If you learn how to build reading habits, you will learning new things for the rest of the lives and at its benefits. An active brain from the continues to learn new things ages much slower than that does not. Best books to start a reading habit. So what you can do if you aren't already a big readers or don't read as much as you would like to want to know how to make a habit of reading. Well, first of all, pick some great books. What are the best books to start a reading habit? Well, I will give you a list of my favorite below, but the best books to start a reading habits are the ones you enjoy. What the kinds of books made you enjoy things about is what kinds of TV show and movies do you enjoy. If you like sci-fi, you might enjoy choose kind of books. Are you into period dramas? Find the books of lots of movies are best on. Do you enjoy the crime dramas, mysterious thrillers, and rooms coms? You can find the choose categories too. The point is to start reading. You find what types of books that love to read. The best books to start a reading habits are ones to that keep you coming back for more. Where to read more? So we talk about all the benefits of reading books, and we talks how to find books happens years. Great way to grasp the wanderings and next years. What is the best way for your reads? Play around until with your find your groove. You don't have to go to library to read more. One thing that slowed down my readings for the long time was the facts and others. Had to buy a book or go to a library, and my busy schedule kept me from doing others. Not to mention, I could afford to buy a store books. So what can do if you want read more but you don't want to run library to busy every 2 seconds? It's too abstract. How to can reading change your life unless you try it? You may have to start articles thinking that reading is not the important. You maybe felt like the reading you are already the worst waste of time because you enjoy readings. It's all my times. Whatever you, I hope the figure out how to build a reading habits you enjoy. You will never regret adding a reading habits to your happy simple life. But how can reading change your life unless you give it a try? To all my readers out there, please feel free to leave my suggestions in the comment below. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.